this is Lacey, and I'm going to refresh your memory on finding the domain of an equation. The domain is the set of all x values in a given equation, so we're only dealing with the x-axis. Let's go to cafe equations. We have polynomials, rationals, and radicals. You'll see what this all means in a second, but it'll help you find the domain. If you see an equation which has a polynomial, you will associate it with the mother who's buying a salad. Here's an example. Since there's an exponent of 2, it means that mom is ordering a salad. Salad is the same as negative infinity to infinity, so the domain is negative infinity to infinity. Isn't that easy? Now, if you see an equation with a rational, you'll associate it with the father who's buying a salad without tomatoes. In this example, since there's a fraction bar, you must take the denominator, set it to equal 0, and solve for x. Whatever equals x is forbidden from the graph, or in this case, the salad. So the salad, or negative infinity to infinity, stays the same, but x cannot equal negative 2, which are represented by the tomatoes. Finally, the son gets to order. He's 5 years old, so needs to have cookies for dinner. Radicals will be represented by the cookies. Since there's a square root sign, you have to take whatever's under the sign and make it greater or equal to 0. Once you solve for x, you have to write the domain as if it makes sense. So if x is greater or equal to 2, any number more than 2 is a valid number, but anything less is not. From 2 to infinity, it makes sense. So the domain is 2 to infinity. And make sure you remember the bracket because the 2 is included in the domain. And that's it. Thanks for watching.